Let's talk about OXO Good Grips Nylon Spoon with Slits, Black. Suitable for non-stick cooking and baking utensils. Heat resistant to 400 F. Material, nylon. I already own a similar item to this with bigger holes and larger depth, which is great when removing larger chunks of meat vegetables from a deep pan of stew. However, trying to use the bigger spoon when draining smaller chopped vegetables after sautéing, for example, was driving me nuts as the food dropped through the bigger spoon holes, and because of the depth of the spoon there were even areas of the bowl I could not reach where vegetables got trapped, so I would then end up using a full spoon without holes to try and drain those vegetables against the side of the pan instead, and found that messy and fiddly as well, so I finally caved and bought this item, which is perfect for what I was looking for, and I can now drain smaller sized chunks of vegetables efficiently and quickly, so I definitely recommend this product.